Yeah, this is pretty sketchy. Oh my gosh. Edelweiss in the wild. Hi, welcome back to Swiss Family Fun. I'm Tanya, and today we are in southern Switzerland. We are near Saas Fee, and we've come up to the gondola to Saas. Well, actually, we've come to the middle station here at Kreuzboden. There's a great playground here. We are now going to hike around the mountain. I've already forgot what it's called. Something like Alp. And there's supposed to be a couple suspension bridges over there and some sort of crazy cliff walk. So we're gonna go check it out. So come along with us today. I will put a link in the description below to our website where I have all the details for everything that we do today. I'll write them up when we get home. And now let's get on the trail. We're going to Almgaller Elb. Let's go. So it's funny, I was really enjoying the trail over there. It was like a really narrow path on lots of rocks. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but it turned into a dirt road. And even though we have the same view, I enjoy it less. I don't know why. Edelweiss in the wild. Very, very rare, very exciting. We've seen a few on this little hill here. You cannot pick them, they're protected. And we're not gonna step on them either. Made it to the hut. Hey, perfect spot. Okay. You guys happy to have our little table here? Nice view. We're going to Furgstalu on the Erlebnisweg. Alright, here we go. Going on the Erlebnisweg, not for dogs, not in bad weather, difficult, and not if you get vertigo. Okay, let's see what happens. Should I go? Sure. Yeah, this is pretty sketchy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but if these boards break, falling to my death, I'm actually nervous. I'm not usually nervous, but the slats are wood. These could definitely break. So we've got little ladders here. People to go down. That's crazy. Fun. Okay. Oh, I'm stuck. It's stuck. My backpack. You're so brave going first. Well, we survived the Erlebnisweg. A lot of fun, a little scary, but fine for us. We don't have vertigo. And now we're trying to find either the trudgy scooters or the gondola. Okay, see you at the bottom.
Don't jump out.
Okay.
We are literally the last ones.
I think so. Got lucky.
It's closed now.
Well, we finished the trail here at Burgstaden. We had a great time, fantastic trail, much better than expected even. It took the full day. We started up at 9 and we're finishing at 4, the last ones on the chairlift. So lucky us, didn't have to walk down the mountain. If you like what you saw here, I'll put a link in the description below to our website where I have all the details and a trail map. And we'll see you here next time for more family fun in Switzerland.